Good afternoon, everyone. Jack McGrath with ntmarkets.com. Well, let's kick it off tomorrow morning. First thing, we get Bank of England and the ECB announcement. So everyone will be paying attention to this to see what the ECB is doing. I think there may be a hint of a 25 basis point ease, but I'm not really sure. I think most people are looking for unchanged off of the ECB. I think there is still that possibility that they could ease. So we'll be watching the announcement first thing tomorrow morning. Today, we did have the third day down in the treasuries. S&Ps held pretty much most of the session at their upper end of the range. Keep an eye on 1545.50, and above there will be 1554.25. One notable thing there, though, tomorrow we'll start looking at the June S&Ps. The lead contract will be June starting tomorrow morning. So we'll start rolling your tickers to June contracts in the equities. Euro dollars, same type of trade. I was watching gold march today. Yesterday we put out 98.25 as support. That we broke today, went down to 22. And then if you looked at a halfway back on today's range, which was 22 up to 27.5, that's halfway back up was 24.75. We went back up to that 24.75, 25 level and failed. Right now we're trading on our lows, basically 22.5, 23. So I think you keep an eye on 25 now in the gold march. If you can't get back above there, look for a trade down to 16, which is a 50% retracement of this last move in the gold march. If you think that we're going to start seeing that type of weakness, look to buy put for Friday's non-farm payroll. I think the 81 puts in gold march, which expire next Friday, we're trading. We could have bought 1.5 yesterday. They traded 2.5 late in the session. But I think if you pick that up for 2 ticks on a little bounce here, might not be bad going into the payroll. And if you get a decent payroll number, I think we could trade down towards that 16. You could probably double your money fairly easy. So keep an eye on that. Halfway backs on the treasuries on the day range work very well for selling opportunities today. This bond, keep an eye on 140.226. That is the 50% retracement in the bonds off its last move. We put that out this morning. So below 26, then you look for some more downside pressure, I think. Today's low is 24, but we pretty much had a nice bounce off of that back into the low 143s. And then now we're coming back down to this 26 level. So pay attention to that. You start to see weakness from here. I think you're going to get another leg down. I like 142.16 is the next target. But that's it for this afternoon. Have a nice day. Jack McGrath with ntmarkets.com. Thank you.